The Nightingale Pledge, a brief history. The Nightingale Pledge is a code of ethics for nurses inspired by the pioneering work of Florence Nightingale. It was created in 1893 by Lystra Greeter, a nurse educator at a foreign training school for nurses in Detroit, United States of America. The pledge was created at a time when nursing was a relatively new and evolving profession. There was a need for a clear set of ethical guidelines. Named in honor of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing, the pledge outlines the ethical principles and responsibilities of nurses. It emphasizes the importance of compassion, honesty, confidentiality, and dedication to patient care. While the Nightingale Pledge has had a significant impact on nursing profession, it is not without its critics. Some argue that the pledge is outdated and does not adequately address the complex ethical challenges that nurses face in modern healthcare environment. Despite these criticisms, the Nightingale Pledge remains a powerful symbol of the nursing profession. It serves as a reminder of the ethical principles that have guided nurses for over a century and continues to inspire and motivate nurses around the world. While the pledge has been influential, it's important to note that it is not a legal document. It is a voluntary code of ethics that nurses can choose to adopt. Some nursing schools and organizations may have their own variations or code of ethics that are more specific to their particular context. The pledge has undergone several revisions. However, the modern version reflects on nursing's autonomy and prioritizes patient protection over physician loyalty. Here's the modern version of the Nightingale Pledge. Before God and those assembled here, I solemnly pledge to adhere to the code of ethics of the nursing profession, to cooperate faithfully with the other members of nursing team, and to carry out faithfully and to the best of my ability the instruction of physician or the nurse who may be assigned to supervise my work. I will not do anything evil or malicious, and I will not knowingly give any harmful drug or assist in malpractice. I will not reveal any confidential information that may come to my knowledge in the course of my work. And I pledge myself to do all in my power to raise the standards and prestige of the practical nursing. May my life be devoted to service and to the high ideals of the nursing profession.